There are many advantages when resin onlays are used to restore teeth. Resin onlays are bonded to the teeth. This creates a tight, superior fit and restores the tooth to nearly its original strength. They can be used in cases where a lot of the tooth is missing, where a crown may have been necessary. This keeps your tooth stronger because less tooth is removed. Resin onlays wear like natural teeth. They may help you avoid problems like this. Since resin onlay margins are invisible, they don't have to be placed below the gum line. This is kinder and healthier for the gums. Resin onlays often also contain fluoride. This fluoride may help prevent new decay at the edges of the fillings. Resin onlays look great. Whether you replace single fillings or all of your fillings, it's simply amazing how beautiful and natural they look.